Hey everyone, welcome back to Ground State Projects. Samsung has once again blocked the previous methods used to access the band selection menu on One UI 8.5 and above. But after digging around and testing different approaches, I've found a completely new method that still works, not just on older versions, but also on One UI 8.5 and newer devices. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access it step by step. Let's get started. Required apps. For this method, you will need three apps: the Google Play Store, the Shizuku app, and the Root Activity Launcher app. To get started with Shizuku, open the Play Store, tap on the Search tab, tap the search bar, and type Shizuku. From the results, select Shizuku and tap Install. Next, we'll install Root Activity Launcher. Open your browser and in the search bar type Android Sage Root Activity Launcher. From the results, tap the SourceForge link, then tap Download. Once it finishes downloading, install the app. If you are asked for Shizuku permissions during setup, make sure to allow them. Developer Options and Shizuku app. First, we need to enable developer options. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap About Phone. Then tap Software Information. Find build number and tap it several times until you see a confirmation message. You may be asked to enter your PIN or password. Once done, developer options will be enabled. Go back to Settings, scroll to the bottom, and open Developer Options. Scroll down until you find Wireless Debugging. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi before enabling it. Now open the Shizuku app. Tap Pairing, then tap Developer Options. This will start the pairing process. Scroll down, tap Wireless Debugging, and select Pair Device with Pairing Code. You will see a code displayed on screen. This is your pairing code. Now open your notifications and you should see a Shizuku pairing prompt. Enter the code and tap Send. If everything is correct, it will say Pairing Successful. Now go back into Shizuku and tap Start. The ADB service should begin running. If it does not start immediately, tap the three dots in the top corner, select Stop Shizuku, and try again. Once it is running, tap Authorized Applications. Find Root Activity Launcher in the list and enable the toggle to grant it ADB access through Shizuku. Root Activity Launcher, Band Selection Menu, and Pinned App. Now open Root Activity Launcher. At the bottom, tap the search icon. Tap Search Components and type Hidden Network Setting. If you are on an older version of One UI, you may need to remove the spaces since the activity name can vary slightly between versions. Now expand the Activities dropdown under Call Settings and tap the launch icon next to Hidden Network Setting. At this point, the band selection menu should open. To change your bands, tap the menu icon in the top left and select the second option. Here, choose the bands you want to enable and uncheck the ones you want to disable. Once you are done, tap the toggle at the top to apply the changes. Keep in mind, restarting your phone may reset the selection. If that happens, just repeat the process. Now for convenience, you can pin this for easier access. Open Recents, tap the app icon and select Keep Open. And that is the new method for accessing the band selection menu on Samsung devices running both older One UI versions and One UI 8.5 and above. As always, there is a chance Samsung could patch this in a future update, but for now, it is still working. Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and if this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to Ground State Projects for more videos like this. And as always, enjoy your tinkering, and I'll see you in the next video.